Hey, just another day at Sunbelt Roofs. Just wanted to share some interesting things here at the kind of the roofer superstore called Advanced Building Products, which is a supplier and distributor into the construction industry, various products. We've got something that you might see your roofers using called a Speed Hatchet or a Roofers Hatchet that actually has a blade that you can extend and cut materials and retract it if you need. But the speed part comes in right here with a magnet, which is a pretty good magnet, and what that does is it holds the nail so the roofer can put the nail in without holding it with their fingers. Works great for the button caps putting the felt down, and also, as you can tell, hold longer nails. But just an interesting tool. Also has some teeth on it if you got to pull a nail out, but that magnet is the key to the speed with this device. So check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, sunbeltroofs.com.